walang tawag. Batangas only 3 team fouls. Zamboanga already over the limit.
Excellent defense that time, showing that they were in a zone, but really in a matchup, Levy Hernandez doing Levy Hernandez things. You know, post up, face up jumper, nothing but net.
Only down to 3 ang lamang dito. Kawila trying to answer. No. Ablaza taps it to Levy Hernandez. Josh Toralba. Bigay kay Isit. Cruz with the pick. CJ. Baba kay Sed. Blocked by Una. Sed. 3-second violation. Kanina pa.
The Levy was asking for the basketball on the right side. Coach Cholo was calling for it as soon as tumawid yung bola sa half court. But then again, the ball screen action up top and CJ Isit passed the ball underneath kay Ablaza. Ganda ng palpal doon ng depensa nitong Zamboanga.
Are from deep.
Not a good shot.
Kawila taps it to Levy Hernandez. Final 2 minutes of game 2. Can Batangas complete the sweep here? That's a hold on Reg Gabat. Isit will go to the free throw line.
It's been the story really of the fourth quarter. Zamboanga getting into the penalty early, even late in the third, as I remember. Pinag-usapan natin yan, no? Nung lamang, biggest lead nitong Zamboanga, 18.
Yeah.
And then some casual silly fouls.
Turnovers even.
Even turnovers. You look at the free throw story, a total of 66 attempts. Free throw number 65 by CJ.
67.
67 rather. He misses though.
Split at the line para kay CJ Isit. It's a 2-point game. Minute and 40 remaining.
Abdul Sawat. Good to see him back in the game. Let's see if he can make a difference.
Una, nasa gitna, palpal lang inabot kay Ablaza. And they want to check. And the last out of bounds. Nag-stick na talaga dito si Coach Bong tsaka si Coach Egay sa 5 na to. No?
Right.
Dito sa dulo.
Gotta give credit to Coach Cholo. This changing defense of his in the second half, especially in the fourth, has absolutely disrupted. Mukhang tumama sa tuhod ni Una after nung tapik ni Levy Hernandez. Yun yung tapik. Ay, wala.
Wala.
Sa anggulong ito, wala.
That should be Zamboanga ball.
Kaya, yung mga possession na ganyan, walang pagkakaiba yan sa mga mga picturan, lalo-lalo na ng mga misis natin with gatherings, diba? Angulo-angulo rin yan eh.
Sa review.
Sa review, yung mga ganyan.
Well, Toralba doesn't know it yet, but they will not have the ball. One timeout each for the two teams. 4.6 seconds sa shot clock ng Zamboanga. Mosqueda has it. Bigay kay Una. James out to Kawila, and this could be big! JP Kawila, and ice in his veins. Lead is back up to 5 for Zamboanga. Kawila with 17 in the ball game. Levy, the fadeaway, yes.
And what's crucial about that basket is how quickly they got the 2 points. Tingnan natin kung anong opensiba ang meron itong Zamboanga against this Batangas matchup zone.
Gabat, atake, bigay kay Abdul. Strong finish from the young gun, Abdul Sawat. Balik sa 5 ang lamang. 76-71. Hernandez almost lost it. Mosqueda is there. Levy inside. Mark Cruz, he gets clipped. 2 free throws coming up. 26 seconds remaining. Check out this assist of the game, powered by 747 Live. Dito ka sa legit. Abdul Sawat with a strong finish.
It always helps against the zone. Every time you see a gap, you drive the basketball into that gap and force the others to help. At yun nangyari doon, no? Hindi lang isa. 3 on the ball doon sa drive ni Gabat. What a crucial drive and draw and drop for the basket of Abdul Sawat.
30 of 47 at the line. That is an incredible stat. Nakuha pa nila dito. Extra possession. Toralba, Isit, Levy. Open. No. Rebound, Ablaza. 2 free throws coming up for Batangas. And
I'm not sure where the foul is. Because I agree with Coach Egay. I got to see the replay again. But I thought Zamboanga did an excellent job of just walling up because offensively, itong si Ablaza initiated the contact. There's the wall.
yeah, I don't think there's a foul.
Right. Give credit to Ablaza though. He did a good job of selling the call. Right there. Nonetheless, call was made. 2 free throws for Ablaza.
And just incredible here. This is free throw number 49 and number 50. And they continue to struggle.
To your point, it's also miss number 19 for Batangas.
In a 5-point game, that is
A ton.
unforgivable.
Yeah.
Still a 2-possession game. Nababa ng Batangas sa 4 ang lamang. But Zamboanga with 15 seconds remaining. It looks like they're on their way to forcing a game number 3 here. And the adjustments, ito yung maganda sa serye, no? You lose game 1 and then try to figure things out in the game 2. Coach Egay, let's listen in.
Guys, after makuha natin, try to go 4 corners, guys. Para at least para ma-open. Pero pag nakita ninyo, lusutan pa rin ninyo para kick out agad. Huwag kayong magtagal. Okay? Pero kung bakante, jump pass, punta tayo. Okay. Okay, tingnan muna natin. First na lalabas. Si okay. Pangalawa. Okay. Pick tayo, lalabas ka doon. Move ka doon. Okay. Abdul. Salubungin nyo. Susunod siya.
Zamboanga just trying to make sure that they get the ball inbound and get as much clock as possible.
Right. Because Batangas has still 1 more foul to give bago sila ma-penalty.
Abdul, nakuha ni Chino Mosqueda, and a lot of time burned there. That's 4 seconds. And in this situation, that's a lot. Lalo na down ang Batangas ng 4.
Right. One thing though is who you deny and kung sino yung gusto mong makatanggap. And looking at the lineup by Zamboanga, you probably want, if you're Batangas, una to get the basketball. But instead, the ball ends up with Paeng.
And the line for 2, Paeng.
Eng Are is at the free throw line. 10.5 seconds remaining. Only took him one game. And in his second game, that's the usual Paeng Are, the Spitfire that we're seeing here in game number 2. 13 points and 5 rebounds. Batangas calls their last timeout here. 6 na puntos ang lamang dito ng Zamboanga. 10.5 seconds remaining. Six-point lead for Zamboanga. No more timeouts for both teams. Batangas 72 on the scoreboard, but they had 50 free throws in this ball game.
And they missed 19. And out of the 50 free throws, Torralba, which was open, I thought, on that curl.
That won't go.
Yeah, that's it. And I was about to say Torralba and Hernandez, 22 out of the 50 free throws, 22 attempts. Halos kalahati, no? Doon sa dalawang yun.
Yeah, and to see Levi Hernandez, 7 of 11. Si Josh Torralba, 8 of 11. Not bad, but you know, a lot of still, you know, mabigat pa rin. Dami mong mintis sa free throw line. .5 seconds remaining. And pupunta sa linya si Chino Mosqueda. Such a well-played game for Zamboanga. And when the Rum Masters actually fought their way back in the fourth quarter, meron silang sagot.
Right. Pero naging crucial kasi yung simula nitong Zamboanga. I thought it set the tone for them because, you know, napag-usapan natin yan. Hindi, ako lang pala. No,
Hindi, may kausap ka daw. I just didn't have a mic.
Right.
I was there.
Yeah.
78 to 72.
Na ang naging problema ay offensive rebounding ng first game.
Yeah, but they address it, and
Right.
Zamboanga